Welcome back to Factful Finance, the place where your financial future gets the attention it deserves. Here's a question to kick things off. What if you could find a handful of stocks that could grow with you, no matter what the market throws your way? It sounds too good to be true, but with the right picks, buying and holding forever might just be your ticket to long-term wealth. In today's video, we're diving into the 6 stocks to buy and hold forever. Yes, forever. These are the ones you can confidently add to your portfolio and forget about, while they do the heavy lifting for your wealth. Before we dive deep, here's a quick disclaimer. The information we share is for educational purposes only. Listings of products or services don't mean we're endorsing them. Always consult a financial professional for advice tailored to your personal situation. Now, let's talk about those stocks. We're talking about companies with proven track records, resilience in turbulent markets, and solid growth potential. Think of these stocks as your financial anchor. You can rely on them for long-term gains, but just like any investment, it's important to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor to make sure these stocks align with your individual goals. Let's kick things off with stock number 1, Apple, PL. If you've been following the tech industry for any amount of time, you already know that Apple is a behemoth. With a market cap that's pushing $2.7 trillion, Apple has proven its ability to innovate year after year. From iPhones to wearables, services like iCloud, and its push into the health and fitness space, Apple has an unmatched ecosystem. But here's the kicker. Despite the inevitable bumps in the tech sector, Apple's ability to generate consistent cash flow, maintain customer loyalty, and expand into new markets has made it a perennial winner. The stock price may fluctuate, but Apple's fundamentals make it a solid bet for the long haul. Next up is Microsoft, MSFT. This tech giant has solidified its position as the backbone of both personal and enterprise computing. Microsoft has also successfully pivoted from relying primarily on Windows and Office to establishing dominance in the cloud with Azure, one of the top cloud service providers worldwide. In addition, Microsoft's vast array of productivity tools, gaming ventures, Xbox, and professional networks, LinkedIn, ensure that it remains a versatile contender for decades to come. Just as Apple benefits from a loyal user base, Microsoft enjoys the same advantage with its ecosystem of tools and services, making it a fantastic stock to buy and hold forever. Our third pick is Amazon, AMZN, and if you've been living under a rock, it's time to emerge. Amazon is more than just an online retailer. It's the leader in e-commerce, logistics, cloud computing, and even media. Amazon Web Services, AWS alone contributes a massive portion of the company's profits, and it continues to dominate the cloud space. On top of that, Amazon's ability to innovate in other sectors, like groceries and entertainment, positions it for future growth. Even in the face of increasing competition, Amazon's scale and consumer base make it an unstoppable force. Moving to a completely different industry, let's talk about Johnson & Johnson, J&J. This healthcare giant has its hands in everything from pharmaceuticals to medical devices, and even consumer health products. J&J's business is steady and recession-resistant, making it a great long-term play for those seeking stability in their portfolio. With consistent dividend payouts, a solid R&D pipeline, and dominance in the medical sector, Johnson & Johnson has proven time and time again that it's a reliable pick to hold for the long run. Fifth on our list is Berkshire Hathaway, BRK.B. Warren Buffett's company needs little introduction. Known for its impeccable long-term value investing strategy, Berkshire Hathaway owns a diversified portfolio of businesses, including Geico, Duracell, and a massive stock portfolio that spans multiple industries. The beauty of owning Berkshire Hathaway stock is its built-in diversification. Instead of picking individual stocks, you're essentially investing in a diverse range of high-performing companies. Buffett's proven track record and the company's vast asset base make it a must-have for long-term investors. Finally, Visa is our last stock for the day. As the world's largest payments processor, Visa benefits from the global shift away from cash and toward digital transactions. Its network is an essential part of the global economy, and the company continues to grow through strategic partnerships, expansion into new markets, and innovation in the fintech space. Visa's ability to capitalize on both consumer trends and technological advancements makes it a solid pick for long-term growth. And let's not forget, Visa is a consistent performer in the stock market with a history of steady price appreciation and solid dividends. So what's the takeaway? These 6 stocks, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, Berkshire Hathaway, and Visa, are foundational pillars that have shown consistent growth, innovation, and resilience over time. They represent the ideal buy and hold forever candidates because of their diversified businesses, steady income streams, and future growth potential. But as always, it's important to remember that investing comes with risk. These stocks have performed well historically, but past performance is not always indicative of future results. Before making any decisions, it's crucial to align your investments with your financial goals. Do your research and don't hesitate to consult a professional for personalized advice. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which stock are you most excited about adding to your portfolio? Or maybe you already hold one of these stocks. How has it been performing for you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed today's content, why not hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on more insightful videos that could help you build your financial future. We think you'll find the next video on screen helpful in your financial journey. Thanks for tuning in to Factful Finance. Keep investing wisely, and I'll see you in the next one.